Brentwood Cake Pop Maker Purple. Brentwood is known as a manufacturer of high-quality appliances and electronic devices, which is why we decided to include the best Brentwood Cake Pop Maker next on our list. The Brentwood Cake Pop Maker is an 11.1-inch maker that comes in a beautiful, subtle purple color, and the price is certainly just as attractive as the machine itself. This cake pop maker allows you to bake a batch of your favorite flavored cake pops in as little as 4 minutes and features a non-stick internal surface to ensure every cake pop you bake comes out perfectly. The Brentwood Cake Pop Maker features a 750-watt internal power supply. The device can make up to 12 cake pops at a time, with the cake pops being relatively small in size, making this the perfect alliance for baking up a batch of bite-sized cake pops. A range of recipes comes included in the package when you decide to opt for this product, allowing you to make vanilla cake pops, lemon cake pops, donut holes, and even pancake bites, all with ease.